on, let's go plant some banyan trees in Mumbai City.
Yes.
This man has a dream. He wants to plant 1,000 banyan trees in all of Mumbai. And I am going to help him achieve this dream. For this mission, we need two things. Number one, space.
Space which is 30 feet away from the main building wall.
Number two, we need sunlight.
Sunlight, the sky should be visible wherever we plant.
But why specifically only banyan trees? Number one.
They give maximum oxygen.
Number two.
They live for more than 500 years.
Number three.
They are home for more than 500 varieties of birds, butterflies and insects.
Number four.
Every part of the tree has medicinal value.
5.
Every family must have a banyan tree as their family member.
So, we want to gift you a banyan tree. All you need to give us is space and sunlight. So, WhatsApp this number if you have the space, if you have the sunlight, and if you and your family want a banyan tree. First banyan tree is being planted at Bandra Fort Garden. Let's go for it. Step 1.
First step is how to take out the sapling from the cover.
Okay.
We have to make sure that the tree is safe. We have to put it horizontal.
Okay.
Tear the packet carefully.
Alright. This is reusable?
Yes.
The packet is reusable?
Yes.
Okay,
Till
great.
the end, we have to make sure that this main part of the sapling does not break. We hold it together.
Okay.
And we always do as a partner. So she is going to hold the plant carefully so that it does not move, and I am going to make sure that enough soil is been around the plant.
Lovely. Oh, I'm so excited. Do you have space? Do you have sunlight? Please, WhatsApp us.
And do not forget compost. It is extremely important. This is like the nutrition for the plant. Thank you so much.
For the most important part, we have to water it. Wow. इसके ऊपर, leaves के ऊपर.
हफ्ते में एक बार पानी जरूर देना है.
Teresa, how long will it take to grow?
So this tree is going to stay forever, but then in the next 100 years, this is going to be a very big tree.
Wow.
But second year onwards, we will have a lot of birds, butterflies, fruits for squirrels to enjoy.
Amazing. So we will keep coming back because this tree we planted. This is our baby. This is part of our family.
Yes.
You want a banyan tree, part of your family. So this is the banyan tree. This is our aim. We are aiming to grow 1,000 of these in Mumbai City.
Exactly. And yes, this is what is going to live and stay even when you are not there.
Yes, forever and ever and ever. Hundreds and hundreds of years. So it's even better than having a child. Because your child will also one day pass, but the tree will not.
Absolutely, yes.
You want a banyan tree, part of your family, we are gifting it to you. Just tell us, do you have space? Do you have sunlight? And WhatsApp us.